Welcome back to my phone Pro. Today we are going to take a closer look at the brand new Vivo R1 Pro, a smartphone that is getting a lot of attention because of its stylish design, powerful performance, and impressive camera features. Vivo has always been known for making phones that look premium while still offering strong specifications, and the Vivo R1 Pro seems to follow the same path. So in this video, we will talk about its design, display, performance, camera, battery, and overall features to see whether this phone is worth your attention or not. Design and display. Let's start with the design. The Vivo R1 Pro comes with a modern and elegant design that instantly feels premium when you hold it in your hand. The phone has a slim body with smooth edges, giving it a comfortable grip and a stylish look. The back panel features a clean camera module that adds to the overall aesthetic of the device. On the front, the phone offers a large AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games, the display looks bright and sharp. The screen also supports a high refresh rate, which means smoother scrolling and a better visual experience overall. Performance and hardware. Now let's talk about performance. The Vivo R1 Pro is powered by a fast and efficient processor designed to handle daily tasks smoothly. Whether you are browsing the internet, using social media apps, or playing mobile games, the phone provides a smooth and responsive experience. The device also comes with generous RAM and internal storage, allowing users to multitask easily and store plenty of photos, videos, and apps without worrying about space. For gamers, the phone is capable of running many popular games with stable performance and minimal lag. Vivo has also optimized the software to ensure the phone runs efficiently, providing a smooth and user-friendly interface. Camera features. One of the highlights of the Vivo R1 Pro is its camera system. The phone features a high-resolution main camera that captures detailed and vibrant photos. During daylight, the camera produces clear images with natural colors and sharp details. In low-light conditions, the phone uses advanced camera technology to improve brightness and reduce noise, helping users capture better night photos. On the front side, the selfie camera is perfect for taking high-quality selfies and making video calls. Vivo is well known for its selfie cameras, so users who enjoy photography and social media will definitely appreciate this feature. The camera also includes several modes such as portrait mode, night mode, and AI scene optimization, which help improve photo quality in different situations. Battery and charging. Battery life is another strong point of the Vivo R1 Pro. The phone comes with a large battery capacity, which can easily last a full day with normal usage such as watching videos, browsing, and chatting. When it comes to charging, the device supports fast charging technology, allowing you to recharge the battery quickly. This means you won't have to wait long to get back to using your phone. Final thoughts. Overall, the Vivo R1 Pro looks like a well-balanced smartphone that offers a premium design, a beautiful display, reliable performance, and a capable camera system. It is a great option for users who want a stylish phone that can handle everyday tasks and entertainment without any problems. If Vivo launches this phone at a competitive price, the Vivo R1 Pro could become a very popular choice in the smartphone market. Thanks for watching my phone Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone reviews and tech updates.